Good morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Mate 70 and let me show you how to change keypad sounds. At first open the settings, then find and select sounds and vibration, scroll down, mark more settings, and here you will notice keypad tones, so just mark it, and now you can activate it by using either default or melody feature. So as you can hear, it is active. If you pick default, the sound is a bit different. It's just the classic one, pretty well known everywhere. And obviously once you mute it, there will be no sound. So this is it. This is how you can manage it, how you can customize. Let me stay with melody as I like it most. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.